Hello, I have drawn a seed of life, a shape made of 7 circles, which is very easy to code. So, hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. So, so our purpose is to draw a seed of life, a, a pattern made of 7 circles. That's our purpose. Now we have to have a variables list. So the length, so the circle radius is 100. Now we configure drawing tools. So our drawing tool has been import turtle. So uh, ignore the season 2 here, because it's still season 1. Import turtle. So we will call our we will call our turtle.pens a seed life equals actually life seed, better name, dot pen. So that's our drawing tool configured. Life seed dot speed 0 for maximum efficiency. Life seed dot hide turtle. So how are we going to do this? There is a mathematical equation for drawing a circle like this, but I am not going to make this a complex video, so we are going to instead instead draw 7 circles using the turtle.cir using the circle function as a life c.circle circle radius. So we'll use this command here. But firstly, we have to configure for that, which means that will be so that the seed of life will appear in the center. Configure for draw in the central circle. We'll configure no, not import. So we will live seed dot forward 100 dot circle radius live seed dot left 90. So this is the amount of pixels we'll move forward. This is the amount of degrees we'll turn left by. And now life seed dot circle 100. So and it will face this way, anti-clockwise, as my mouse is spinning. I know it's not a perfect circle that my mouse is spinning, but in that direction. So we'll do it. And I have noticed, uh, so this command will prevent the window from closing after it has completed. During that time, I have noticed that it left a mark during configuration. So to remove that, we 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 take the pen off a page by putting life seed dot up and then put it back down after configuration, like this. So uh, central circle drawing. So we are drawing a central circle with this function. And now we have to undo configuration. Undo configuration. It's it's actually configure the drawing the outer circles. That's what we are really going to do. So life c dot up, life c seed. So what I did there was that case matters in Python. Life seed dot right 90 life dot no back circle radius life c dot down. So now we have we have configured for drawing the outer circles. So now we actually draw the outer circles. Outer circles drawing. So so we'll use a Python loop to do that. So we'll draw 6 circles because that's what the seed of life is. Now we go life seed dot actually uh, yeah life seed dot circle life seed dot circle actually we will configure life seed dot left. No, I see life seed dot circle radius life seed dot left 60, and we've done. Now I could easily say please subscribe, please like, and share, and goodbye, but we could actually take this into a bigger step. So we will introduce a new variable list. So so I'm not really sure that's the original seed of life, but this time we're going to create a variation of a seed of life. So circle radius, no, not circle radius, equals circle count equals let's say 7 left 360 divided by no, not 7, circle count. So we have just created a variation of a seed of life, uh, and we could do this for 9, for example, 12, or even 50. Wow, it started to look like uh, uh, videos I did for the previous series. So 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 as I was saying, it started to look like what I used to draw in for my first video in this Python 5 with shape series. So this so the original the original shape that was used by ancient Egyptians, and then it also appeared in 13th century Italian art. So please like, and that's the end of this video. So like, subscribe to this channel video, and have a nice rest of your day. Bye.